Okay guys, sorry I don't have an Android to demonstrate this with, but I do have an iPhone. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your settings and go to the camera. And what you want is you want to record at 720 HD at 30 frames per second. Don't do anything higher. We really can't work in anything higher at this moment of time. And you know, if you're going to record slow motion, it would be, you know, the 720p as well. And if you have those settings, then it's going to shoot in .mov for you. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is, what I want to do is show you how to do manual settings. So if you go to your camera, first thing we want to do is we want to go to video. Now you can see that the box comes up, and I'm sure you guys know that when you select the box, that's what gets in focus, and it adjusts your exposure and your white balance for that moment of time. But if you want to do manual settings, all you have to do is go near the sun there, and if you go up, it increases your exposure, and if you go down, it lessens your exposure, as you can see in this image here. And if you need to turn the light on, if you hit your flash here, you can hit on, and you can see now that we have a light that's illuminating. Obviously, I'm trying to keep this as steady as possible, so we are getting some reflection right off of, so we have a hot spot there, but that's where you could actually come in and you could actually lower your exposure on that. If you want to keep your exposure, lock in your exposure and your focus, you just hold your finger on the screen until you get the AEAF lock, which is auto exposure, autofocus lock. So then if I were to move this camera, it's going to keep these settings, and you're not going to see the breathing of the exposure and the focus moving, which is really nice. So you can see that this corner is in focus, and as I move it, that the focus remains, because now you can see that that's blurry. So that's a handy thing to know too. And if you need to zoom, all you have to do is pinch the screen, and then you get this slider bar over here. Now, I know y'all have made fun of my phone before. This is an iPhone SE, and I know Rick has an iPhone 6. And so for us, these are going to be, these are going to be our settings. You know, if you have an iPhone 11 or an iPhone 10, you're going to have more options to be able to work with. But this is the lowest common denominator, and unfortunately I do not have another phone, and I'm not going to buy a phone to do this demonstration. I did buy a webcam so that this would look better. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.